Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for groceries using your debit card. How do you actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the Sprouts app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sprouts app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payment Methods, then click on Debit/Credit. So this is where you could actually go ahead and enter your card number, expiration date, CVC, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.